have yet another unboxing to do. Back-to-back unboxings. Wow. Just got this in the mail. Such a surprise. It wasn't supposed to be here for a month. And amazingly, this just arrived. So, this, I had to order this. This is, just really wanted it. It's for the upcoming complete Henry and Edward video. Wow, that's pretty cool. I never got that many little things on a package. Look at all that cool writing. I'm gonna save that box. Neat. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Hope we got what I ordered. Wow, that's really it's really taped up. All right, let's check it out here. Yeah. See that? Made in Japan. Original Thomas. Sweet. Made in stamp, made in Japan. Yep. Original Annie and Clarabelle made in Japan. Sweet. Yep. Mm-hmm. Made in Japan. Say hey, James. Gotta fix that coupling. I want to focus. And for the Henry video, made in Japan. Awesome, awesome. Outstanding. All right, cool. So we got a couple more things coming, and then that video is going to hit the streets. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Everybody have a great day.